Welcome to the Lincoln, a private entry condominium floor plan by HHHunt Homes. With 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, this is a 1-level home, and I'm excited to explore it with you. This floor plan is one of the many floor plans offered by HHHunt Homes in the Pointe at Twin Hickory. Located in the Twin Hickory area of Short Pump, Virginia, this community offers homeowners proximity to the area's best shopping and dining, as well as on-site amenities. To get started, let's check out the open concept living area. The foyer with the closet opens to a large family room, which flows seamlessly into the dining nook and a spacious kitchen. The beautiful kitchen offers a pantry, ample cabinets and counter space, and a large island. Kitchen islands are perfect for extra prep space, overflow seating, or a place to hold appetizers for gatherings. Let's go look at the rest of the amazing home. On the way to the bedrooms, you'll find a laundry closet, a full bathroom, and a second bedroom. This bedroom offers plenty of room, a large closet, and expansive windows. Some of our homeowners use this as a guest suite or an at-home office. Your large primary bedroom offers several windows flooding this area with natural light. The Lincoln's primary bathroom offers a glass-enclosed shower with dual sinks. And because no suite would be complete without the perfect closet, we designed this room to feature a large walk-in. The Lincoln offers a garage which can be accessed right off the kitchen. This makes it very convenient for carrying in groceries and other items. We think the Lincoln is a perfect home and would love to show it to you in person. To learn more about this home, visit us at hhhunthomes.com. HH Hunt, because it's how you live that matters.